guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Charu and I'm a mid-sized fashion content creator. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit subscribe and follow me on Instagram where I post daily get ready with me videos, lots of fashion, outfits, styling videos for you guys. And in fact, I recently reached the 10K follower mark on Instagram that I am super proud of. So I would love for you to follow along and join the fam. For today's video, I will be unboxing a Luxe shoewear brand called Vivaya. They are an eco-friendly and sustainable women's footwear. They create not just sustainable and eco-friendly shoes, but they are also super comfortable, very stylish, fashionable, and a brand that cares about their consumers' comfort, but also the environment that we live in. That to me means a lot. I'm all for it. That is the future of fashion. So I am super excited when Vivaya reached out to me and they wanted to gift me 2 pairs of shoes. I will be unboxing them for you guys, telling you a little bit about the brand, the design concept, as well as showing you how I style these shoes with some outfits. So stick around, it's going to be a lot of fun. And before we get started with today's video, thank you Vivaya for sponsoring today's video and partnering up with me. Hopefully we can work again together. And now let's jump into it. Let's talk about packaging. I love their sleek and minimal design. Also, all of Vivaya's packaging is created using 100% recycled cardboard. Vivaya creates stylish, functional, and comfortable shoes, and their entire design process is eco-conscious, where each single shoe is designed using 6 recycled bottles. So let's begin unboxing our first pair of shoes. Now, since I'm from Canada, I'm accustomed to at least 6 months of super cold weather with a lot of rain and snow. So I picked up these really cute faux fur ankle boots in the style Courtney. They have these cute little names for all their shoe styles, and this one is called Courtney in the color dark chocolate, and let me tell you, I'm in love. They look super stylish, cozy, and comfortable. The boots are lined with faux fur to provide warmth in the harshest of winters. Also, their outer material is made out of all natural materials. The soft knitted fabric is water repellent, stain proof, and odor resistant. The insoles provide arch support for all day, everyday comfort and is made up of natural, breathable fabric. The outsoles are anti-slip with unique traction technology for good grip, and the low-wedged heel is made up of 100% natural rubber. I personally really like the style of these boots. They look like premium quality, and the style of these Courtney boots actually are designer inspired almost. They're super comfortable, they're very durable to wear daily, they're easy to clean and maintain, and I love that they're sustainable, eco-friendly, and stylish at the same time. These boots will definitely make a great option for winter boots, and they're available in a few other neutral colors as well as 2 different length options. I will leave all the information as well as my special discount code where you can save 10% at checkout and the shopping link all in the description box below. The next pair of shoes I chose were more sophisticated and elegant. These are called the Regina 2.0, and it is the square toe water repellent bootie and also the most popular boots on their website. Now, right off the bat, let me tell you, I am obsessed with these boots, and I can clearly tell why women love Regina. These boots are extremely stylish, very chic, super elegant, great for work, and they will make an awesome staple in your winter wardrobe or pretty much all year round because they're so lightweight. The fabric is very breathable. These boots are super comfortable to wear too, and I can't wait to show you how I style them. A few key features to note about Regina is that it is a beautiful mid-ankle bootie on an architectural and a comfortable block heel. The heel height is 2.16 inches and the shaft height is 6.10 inches. It's made out of breathable soft uppers from a water repellent yarn, and it has anti-slip natural rubber outsoles. Regina is designed to relieve discomfort from long commutes. It eases long-standing for everyday comfort. Also, the water repellent fabric makes the boots easy to clean, and you will not be caught in uncomfortable, wet, and dirty boots. Now, if these shoes don't sound perfect, I don't know what will. I personally am very picky about my footwear, and as I'm a fashion content creator, I need shoes that are not only stylish but also comfortable, and I can match them easily with my outfits while I'm styling them. And Vivaya shoes honestly sound, look, feel amazing. I highly recommend them. Make sure to use my discount code and shop via the link in the description box. And now let me show you how I style these shoes with different outfits. So let's begin styling the Regina boots. I'm going for a street chic edgy look. So I've styled the boots here with some cropped ankle wide leg jeans, faux leather jacket, and a basic rib top, and I'm good to go. It's a super comfortable outfit, very chic, very stylish, perfect to go to the movies, shopping, grab a bite to eat, meet with friends. Love it. My next look is to show you just how versatile these Regina booties are. You can dress them up or you can dress them down, and they're just a great staple footwear to have in your closet. And here I've styled it with a sweater dress, which is midi length, and thrown on a jacket on top. It's just a cool casual outfit, perfect for dinner and drinks, even date night. You can also dress up these booties for work and throw on a nice top, a sweater, or a midi skirt. Perfect for that. Also style it with a dress, and I'm just obsessed with these boots. Now, to style Courtneys, honestly, you can pair them up with any casual outfit. It is because they make that perfect everyday wearing pair of boots in the winters, and you can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with a knit midi skirt, a maxi sweater dress, and they're just that perfect, cool, casual, cozy pair of boots. Here I'm wearing them with some jeans, an oversized teddy coat, a sweater, and a cardigan, and I'm going to be warm and cozy head to toe. For my next outfit, I styled the Courtney boots with some faux leather leggings and a zip-up oversized sweater, threw on a beanie on top, and it makes for a casual, cozy, cute outfit. It's perfect to run errands in and perfect for the winter day to keep me looking warm, cute, very comfortable, and super stylish. And that is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and watching me unbox these two fabulous pairs of shoes from Vivaya. They actually make a really great gift idea. So for yourself or your loved one, this would be the perfect gift that is not just stylish, fashionable, eco-friendly, but super comfortable as well. Make sure to use my discount code and shop through my affiliate link. I will leave all the information down below in the description box. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Bye.